Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV washer and dryer combos on Amazon. Traveling in an RV is a fun experience that allows you to see new sights and visit new places. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Jontex Portable Mini Washing Machine. The Jontex is one of the best washers on our list. This compact 32-pound twin tub washer-dryer combo is easy to operate and can handle up to 11 pounds of washing capacity and nearly 7 pounds of drying capacity. It comes with a built-in timer ranging from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, so you don't have to keep an eye on the spin cycle. Once it's finished, you'll be notified immediately. Its eco-friendly design is a handy feature. It allows you to conserve water and detergent while getting a clean product. The wash motor is powerful at 300 watts with a 110-watt spinning power. It also comes equipped with a convenient filter net you can hook up on the side of the machine to store dirty clothes out of the way while you work. One concern with this washer and dryer combo is that the size of the water inlet hose may not properly fit all types of faucets. You also may need to be careful when filling it with water. Number 2. Super Deal 2-in-1 Mini Washing Machine. This twin tub machine from Super Deal is an excellent option for anyone who wants a machine that can wash bulkier clothes but is compact enough to fit in a closet or bathroom. It has an 11-pound load capacity, which is enough to wash large bedsheets. It's built from high-density plastic with an aluminum pump and is lightweight enough to be transported anywhere. Each tub has its separate lid. One is for washing clothes, and the other tub features true rinse technology for spinning out excess water from laundry with 2 deep rinses in a single cycle. Both units can work simultaneously to significantly shorten your laundry time. Also, you don't have to constantly monitor the machine for fear that it will overflow. It has a meticulous drain pump that drains the water in short intervals to avoid overflowing the bathroom sink. What's impressive is that the machine is energy efficient and won't take a toll on your RV's battery or generator. Number 3. Aortic Portable Washing Machine. The Aortic Portable Washing Machine features a twin tub design, allowing you to simultaneously wash and spin dry your laundry. With an 18 pounds washer capacity and a 10 pounds spinner capacity, this machine provides ample space to accommodate your laundry needs. The twin tub design enables efficient and time-saving operation, as you can wash one load while the other is being spun dry, maximizing productivity. With the drain pump, you can easily drain the dirty water from the machine without the need for manual effort. This feature saves time and prevents the hassle of manually emptying the tubs, making the laundry experience more efficient and user-friendly. Designed with portability in mind, the Aortic Portable Washing Machine offers convenience and versatility. Its compact size and lightweight construction makes it ideal for small living spaces, dorms, apartments, and even RVs. Number 4. Comfee 24 Washer and Dryer Combo. This washer and dryer combo is specifically designed to fit in small spaces without compromising on its capacity. With a 2.7 cubic feet capacity and the ability to handle up to 26 pounds of laundry, this appliance ensures you can wash and dry large loads effortlessly. Its compact size makes it ideal for dorms, apartments, and other tight living spaces where every square inch counts. This washer and dryer combo offers the convenience of being fully automatic, eliminating the need for manual intervention during the wash and dry cycles. You can simply load your laundry, select the desired settings, and let the machine do the rest. The front load design allows for easy loading and unloading, reducing strain on your back and making laundry a breeze. This appliance is designed to be energy efficient, reducing water and electricity consumption compared to traditional washer and dryer units. Number 5. Jontex Full Automatic Washer and Spin Dryer. Jontex seems to know its stuff when it comes to camper washing machines, so it's no surprise that another model makes our list. This is a fully automatic top-load laundry machine with a 10-pound load capacity and a lightweight design for easy transportation. The fact that it has 6 selectable programs and 3 water level selections means that you can adjust the washing mode and water level to wash delicate clothes with different washing needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.